Let's unbox your mixed media adventure for the new year. I'm creating something really big for 2026. 52 weekly projects with lifetime access to the videos and downloadable guides, plus 12 monthly co-create sessions on Zoom where we get together to share our work, ask questions, and get to know each other. This is the opportunity to create on a regular basis and the momentum and accountability to keep it going. Here's a little peek at what's included. Hi, I'm Kelly from Collage-Lab. These weekly projects are going to become a visual timeline of your creative year. And by next December, you will have a full collection of 52 unique artworks. I would like to personally invite you to join me for Amuse Bouche, a year of mixed media adventures. Unlock a lifetime of creative possibilities. So head on over to explore.collagelab.com/amuse to find out more.